you too. Los amamos, México! We love you! I want to say thank you to you for being so kind. I want to say thank you to... We don't have time, we don't have time. Sean is waiting, Sean is waiting. Come on. We want to really say a big thanks to the local crew guys tonight who are just fucking amazing guys. Thank you so much for everything you've done for us. They really pulled it out tonight. I want to say thanks to Dev, our lighting guy, and Andy who made us sound so lovely for you. I don't know, who else would I thank? Nick, Dick and Dave, and our tour manager over there, Ian. He's waiting with towels, that means we have to go soon. So I'm going to play some classical music, okay? Hold on. Sleep tonight. Everybody's saying everything's alright. Still I can't close my eyes. I see the tunnel at the end of all these lights. Sunny days, you're gone. I get the strangest feeling. Stand myself. I'm being held up by invisible men. Still alive on a ship when I got my mind something else. Sunny days, oh, where have you gone? I get the strangest feeling. You belong. It always rain on me. Is it because you're alive at 17? Why does it always rain on me? Even when it's sunshine, I can't avoid the light. Oh, rain in the blue sky. Oh, why is it raining so cold? So cold. So on the final chorus, this is a tradition in Travis World, and that includes all you guys down the front, okay? On the final chorus of this song, we're gonna try and break the world record for the pogo. It's really easy, you just do this. Can you do that? I'm not sure about the Sean fans. Can you do that, Sean fans? You guys over there, can you? Alright, okay. I think we've got you. What about the people in the back? Okay, right, okay. On the final chorus though, okay? Mass pogo. Here we go. 2, 3. I can't sleep tonight.
Cerveza o refresco.
Still I can't close my eyes. See the tunnel at the end of all these
This is the bridge.